Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and in today's video we will guide you through how to reset your Telegram password or how to recover forgotten Telegram password. So let's get started. So first thing first, open the Telegram app on your mobile device. You will see start messaging option available on your screen. Simply tap on it. Then now all you have to do is type on your number and select a reason and continue with the process. After this, you'll have to enter your password. Simply click on the forgot your password below the password field. After you tap on it, you'll be prompted to enter the recovery email address associated with your Telegram account. Telegram will send you a code on your recovery email. Then simply copy that code and enter it in the blank box given by Telegram. After you write down your code, simply continue for the further process, and here you'll be navigated to create a new password. Now simply create a new password for your Telegram account. And that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.